Most of you must remember that this year we went to Hajj. And since mom and dad are quite old, they have muscular aches and pains, joint pains, and this was pronounced, especially when performing Hajj. The tawaf, the sa'i, everything was really difficult for them because of the age. And all through the Hajj, I gave them this oil to use, and believe me, once they used this oil, all their aches and pains went away. But the thing is, if I shared their review, you would say, okay, these are Dr. Asma's mom and dad. Obviously, they're gonna say this oil is very good. This is our doctor's oil. Use it, okay? So I am not taking their review. I am gonna share with you the review of my patients and some of the other people whom I gave this oil to try.
Assalamu alaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma. So first of all, I gave this oil to my maids and my helpers because they are working all day long and usually they have multiple aches and pains, and I translate their reviews into English so that you understand because they cannot speak English.
Paige gave me oil for free. I used to get the oil and then I would apply it and get better in a week or 10 days. Whenever I get knee pain, I apply it and it gets better, then I leave it.
I applied oil and massaged it well. I got better after applying once my backache also went away. It vanished after only one application. This oil is wonderful.
In addition to my maids and helpers, I also gave this oil to one of my patients who is paraplegic. Paraplegic means she cannot move her arms as well as her legs. Because of the immobility, she usually is in miserable pain. So I gave her this oil to see if it works for her also. So this is Aksa, and she is not only paraplegic, she is raising a daughter on her own also alone. I personally think she is one of the greatest women I have ever met. In the comment section below, do send her your prayers. It will mean a lot for her. But sadly, she too cannot speak in English, so I used AI to dub her also.
You know, my problems, you gave this point oil to my mom, but I applied it also. My mom's leg and back healed completely with it. Her pain was gone. So one day I also had severe pain. I did not have any gel or medicine, so I decided to use this oil. When I woke up, I was so relaxed and totally pain-free. Now you can see this arm of mine. You know, I cannot move arms or legs, so this arm was maybe pressed under my weight when I was sleeping. But I couldn't bear the pain when I woke up. This pain was there for 2 or 3 days, and it was not getting better. So I told my helper to apply it at night on me. When I slept, I felt 50% better already, although I had taken a lot of medicine for it before with no use. Now I am applying it, and I'm very hopeful pain will be gone. One of my neighbors in our society also took it from me. She had shoulder pain. Really bad one. She has told me to get for her also, because she took some from me and uses it with great success. Her pain was gone. She said it feels like magic.
In addition to my parents, to whomever else I gave this oil, they gave me wonderful reviews and their pain vanished instantly. And as you know, all our products are 100% natural, because before this we made a wonderful herbal hair oil, we made a non-toxic shampoo, we made a wonderful conditioner, and all of our products are made with 100% natural ingredients, toxin free, chemical free. Do subscribe to our channel to view their recipes, or if you want to buy them, you can view the links in the description box below. Anyway, to use this oil, basically you have to apply to wherever you feel the pain. Just put a few drops of this oil on the pain area, rub it well, massage it, and then cover it and leave it for at least 6 hours or overnight. You can cover it with the bandage or you can cover it with a warm cloth. This is pretty much what you have to do, and you will get rid of your pain instantly. So whether you are a man or a woman, young or old, whatever is the nature of your pain, whether it is a back pain or a knee pain or a leg pain or a hip pain, whatever is the cause of your pain, I trust it will go away. So in the comment section below, let me know, did you use our oil and how well did it work for you? And if you want to order it, you will find the links in the description box below for our website also. And if you want to order on our number, you will get our number also. And if you want to order on Daraz, an online store in Pakistan, you can order on Daraz also. So take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.